In this video, let's continue in problem number 7. Calculate the mass of 15 liters of ammonia at 27 degrees Celsius and 900 millimeters mercury. So this problem what we called ideal gas law. So let's begin. Number 7, the mass. So we have a volume here, 15 liters. So 15 liters. And a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius plus 273 Kelvin, so equals to 300 Kelvin. So, and how about the pressure, which is 900 millimeters mercury? So the pressure here is 900 millimeters mercury, and we have a R here, which is the constant, which is 8.31 liters that kilopascal over mole that K. So we need to convert pressure here into kilopascal again, divided by 760 millimeters mercury times 1 atm times divided by 1 atm times 101.325 kilopascal. So you need to cancel the millimeters mercury and atm, and the left is kilopascal. So from pressure, write the pressure here, the pressure value. So 900 divided by 760 times 101.325 kilopascal is equals to 119.99 kilopascal. So let's use the formula again, solution. So PB is equals to nRT. So first thing we need to do is we need to get the moles. So divide both sides by RT. RT here. Cancel out. So PB over RT is equals to N. So N is equals to, what is the pressure? Is 119.99 kilopascal. So 119.99 kilopascal times the volume here. The volume is 15 liters. So here, 15 liters. 15 liters of ammonia. And the R, which is which is the constant, 8.31 liters that kilopascal over mole that K. So 8.31 liters that kilopascal over mole that K times the temperature, which is 300 Kelvin here. 300 Kelvin. And then cancel out the Kelvin. Kilopascal cancel, and the liters will cancel. So the left is moles. So N is equals to, so 119 times 15 divided by 8.31 times 300 is equals to 0.7160 moles of ammonia. So we need to get the molar mass of ammonia. So the molar mass of ammonia is equals to 14.01 plus 3 times 1.008. So equals to 14.01 plus 3 times 1.008 is equals to 17.034 grams per mole of ammonia. But the question is, calculate the mass. So calculate the mass of 15 liters of ammonia. So we need to calculate the mass. The moles is given. So mass mass of ammonia is equals to 0.716 mole. So 0.716 moles of ammonia times 1 mole of ammonia, and then the grams of ammonia, which is 17.034 grams of ammonia. So you need to cancel out the moles here. Cancel out moles. On the left is grams. So in a mass of ammonia, so mass of ammonia is equals to 0.716 times 17.034, so equals to 12.19 grams of ammonia. So that is the final answer. Alright, let's continue in number 8.